I think if you look at the post-COVID world of AI, I mean, there is no industry in this world which is not impacted by artificial intelligence. And it's not going to stop it here. It's going to be much, much larger as a phenomenon in the next 4 to 5 years. And you will see a lot of industries which are getting impacted as well as flourishing because of AI. With this in mind, I mean, the future leaders will not be someone who doesn't understand what the AI is or doesn't know how the AI works or has not worked in AI. With keeping this thing in mind, to prepare the students of IILM University to become the future leaders of tomorrow's industry, we wanted to make sure that they not only understand AI from a theoretical perspective, but they also understand AI from the working perspective, from creating perspective for that matter. With that, we created a project initiative which is called IILM GPTs. Can you tell me exactly what is the Session 3 class in detail?
Session 3 of the Business Policy and Strategy course is focused on internal analysis and particularly explores the distinctive and core competencies within a resource-based view, RBV.
Now, this is nothing but the customized GPTs, basically done by OpenAI. But what we are trying to do here is we are creating courses, we are creating productivity tools which are completely done on AI. And you will be amazed to see the way the students and the faculties are interacting with it. Tell me, what kind of questions are asked in the examination?
The examinations in the Business Policy and Strategy course typically involve both short answer and long answer questions.
It has become a companion for them. I mean, that's the main initiative by which we wanted to make sure the student not only understand the AI ecosystem, but also treat them as a companion for their learning journey for the next 2 to 3 years. And that phenomenon is working in IILM University.